So here's the problem. A 2.1 meter layer of clay is buried beneath a 3 meters stratum of very compact granular soil. Compact sand underlies the clay. The layer of the granular soil is composed of material having a unit weight of 20.46 kilonewton per square meter. The clay unit weight is 16.52 kilonewton per cubic meter. A laboratory compression test on a sample of the clay indicates a compression index of 0.4 and a natural void ratio of 1.30. A plant building loading will cause a 26.38 kilopascal stress increase at the middle of the clay layer. So the problem number 1, what amount of primary compression occurs in the clay for the indicated conditions? Number 2, how much primary compression of the clay layer would result if the groundwater table was at the ground surface? All other conditions remains the same. Number 3, how much clay layer compression would occur if the clay was an over-consolidated material? The past maximum pressure was 95.94 kilopascal and the CS value was 0.10. Assume a deep water table. So, solution number 1. Primary compression of clay when the loading causes an increase of stress of 26.38 kilopascal. So, this is a present overburden pressure at mid-height of clay layer. So, sa pagkuha ng PO, so, times lang natin ang unit weight ng compact sand sa height nito na 3 meters. Compact sand sa height niya na 3 meters. So, 20.46 times 3 meters plus natin yung unit weight ng clay at i-plus natin yung unit weight ng clay times natin siya sa mid height, sa kalahati ng height nito, which is 1.05 meters. So, makukuha natin yung PO, which is the average effective stress at the mid-height of the clay layer na 78.73 kilopascal. So, in delta P given naman, delta P is the average increase of effective stress on clay layer na 26.38 kilopascal. So, sa binigay na formula na SC is equals to CCH which is the compression index over 1 plus EO, C2 void ratio, the logarithm of PO plus delta P over PO. So, yung nakuha natin na sa formula, SC is equals to 0.4 yung compression index times natin sa H, which is the height of the thickness of the clay layer over 1 plus EO, yung C2 void ratio 1.30 logarithm of 78.73 plus 26.38 yung delta P over 78.73 at makukuha natin yung primary compression na primary consolidation settlement na 0.046 meters or 46 millimeters. So, dito naman sa number 2, the primary compression of clay if the groundwater table is at the ground of the surface. So, yung groundwater daw ay nandito sa ground surface. So, sa this time is i-minus natin yung unit weight ng water, which is 9.81 kilonewton per cubic meters. So, kunin muna natin yung PO. Dito sa compact sand is 20.46. 20.46 times minus natin yung unit weight ng water na 9.81 times natin sa height, which is 3 meters, plus 16.52 minus natin sa 9.81 na unit weight ng water, times natin sa mid height pa rin ng clay na 1.05, at makukuha natin yung 39 kilopascal. So yung delta P given pa rin ng 26.38, at yung formula na CCH over 1 plus EO logarithm PO plus delta P over PO. So yung CC natin, yung compression index is 0.4 pa din, at yung height yun pa rin 2.1 over 1 plus 1.30 yung C to void ratio. The logarithm of yung PO is 39 kilopascal na, plus natin sa delta P na given naman na 26.38 over 39. So makukuha natin dito yung 0.082 meters or 82 millimeters. So ibig sabihin may nagbago. So makikita naman natin sa height niyan, dito sa una is 46 mm at dito naman sa pangalawa is 82 mm, halos doble. So dito sa number 3, clay layer compression when PC is 95.94 kilopascal. So kunin ulit natin yung PO, yung 20.46 times 3 plus 16.52 times 1.05. So makukuha natin yung 78.73 kilopascal. So yung delta P is given pa rin 26.38 kilopascal. At dito natin makukuha yung formula ng SC. Malalaman natin dito if yung delta P plus PO is greater than PC. Ito ang gagamitin nating formula. If delta P plus PO is greater than PC. So SC is equals to CCH over 1 plus EO logarithm of PO plus delta P over PC plus CSH. Yung CH is swell index na given naman dito sa hinahanap. Given dito, bigyan yan. Yun yung swell index. So CSH over 1 plus EO logarithm of PC over PO. So lagay lang natin CSC is equals to 0.4. Yung CC times natin sa 2.1 over 1 plus 1.3 logarithm of 105 yung delta P plus PO, 105.11 over 95.94 yung PC plus 0.10 yung swell index na given din, na times natin sa 2.1 over 1 plus 1.3 logarithm of 95.94 over 78.73, at makukuha natin yung SC po yan, hindi ko lang po nasulat yung C. SC is equals to 0.022 meters or 22 meters.